Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a 13,500 milliamp power bank. This power bank is something everyone needs in their life, and I'm going to be getting to all the reasons right now. Number one of the reasons is it's portable and it charges devices very efficient. You can charge up to 5.5 devices fully charged with this power bank. This does come with a micro USB cable, pretty standard. Very mandatory for every, did I say speaker? And you also have a clip, as well as some instructions. Alright, so here is the power bank. You do have two LED flashlights, have a power on button, check the battery percentage. It is two bars right now, and I have used this already. It's very amazing. Has a nice rugged design, plastic but very durable. Has the clip on right there. Have some nice grip on the back so it will not slide around. And you also have the two USB ports. Now this is not waterproof, so don't take it out to the lake or anything because it's not waterproof. At least I don't think. So yeah, two USB ports and a charging port right there. The solar panel is right here, and I'll test this out later, and in the comments down below you'll see this if it works or not. And also I'll be doing a giveaway next week or this week. And the solar panels are meant to charge the light. It is in their kind reminder little thing. So it does have a flashlight if you didn't know. Pretty cool. Has a pretty good flash. I turned off all the lights. Pretty good flash. Overall, this is a very good product. Besides the video, I know I did a lot of mistakes in the very beginning. Do not comment about that because I already know. I didn't want to take any more takes about this because I already took one previously, and the video before this I already reviewed that one too, but I accidentally deleted them. I don't even know how. I accidentally deleted the videos, but anyway, link is in the description to buy this power bank. 13,500 milliamps, 5.5 charges, full charges. So it's basically 5 full devices, 5 iPhones, 2 iPads and a half, a couple of Android phones, and many more. So make sure you guys subscribe, like the video if you very much liked it, and comment down below what you want me to give away. I'll be getting any suggestions. I'll be doing Xbox gift cards for probably V-Bucks or something, PSN, actually. But you can use the power bank for many different. I need to restart because this video is trash. Put this back. Bloopers. I'm gonna stop recording. I'm wasting my space.